everybody.
Good morning. We're so excited to be here, aren't we? At the
Hendersonville Public Library.
Yes.
Welcome to Kidding Around, another episode.
Today we're going to be attempting to make a glitter bottle.
Yes.
Meditation glitter bottle.
Yes.
And we have a couple different methods we're going to try out.
Yes.
Because we saw a few different ways to make it online. So join us as we figure it out.
Yeah, and this is
Natalie.
and I'm Mary, and
I'm Miss Amanda.
yes, and Carson is not here with us today. So we're going to be big kids, and we're going to play in his honor and for all children out there. So we are going to, we have filled our water bottles up because everybody has these around home,
Yep.
or a mason jar. And
To varying degrees.
yes,
here.
so Natalie has hers filled up there. Mine is here. We got a halfway full mason jar and a bottle because we're experimenting along with you guys. We have clear glue because we're going to do some with clear glue. We have vegetable oil. These are all, fairly cheap. You can get at the store. And then we have lots of glitter and we have food coloring. And so basically that's all it takes. When you're done, though, you want to use duct tape or some kind of tape around the top so that the top doesn't pop off or a child doesn't go, what happens when I do this? How does this look on the carpet or the kitchen table? So it'd be really good to put the tape on there.
Yeah.
All right, so do you guys want to start with the glue? Should we do like one person does glue and the other person does olive oil, or what do we want to do?
I'll try the glue in this one. Actually, I think I'll add a little food coloring first.
Okay, so you need to add just like one color so that it doesn't get so dark that you can't see anything. All right, I'll do blue.
Okay.
And just a couple of drops from what I read.
And we want it
I'll
to be
do
fairly translucent, I think.
Ooh, that's so cool. Look at that.
Oh, it is fun to watch
Isn't that
it
pretty?
twirl down there.
That's an art and craft right there, isn't it? Look at that. Wow.
I think we use food coloring every time we...
I think we have, I know. It's okay. Yeah, mine's a little darker than what I was hoping it would be. So I think I put 2 drops. You need to do 1. So
It's pretty powerful stuff.
yeah, it's pretty potent, man. And then it stays on your fingers for a while. So okay, so you're gonna do glue.
I'll do glue, and I think I'm just... Let's see what our instructions say. Add glue... The more glue you have, the slower the glitter will settle.
Mm-hmm.
We used half a bottle of glue per bottle. Finally, add glitter. Don't be shy.
Okay, and so what I read was to put the glue straight down the middle, not shake it up at first, but straight down the middle so it doesn't stick to the sides. Okay, do you want to do, which one do you want to do, glue or oil?
I'll do the glue.
You want to try glue?
Sure.
All right, and I'll try the oil. So the oil
I'll
doesn't take
add-
much either, so.
I'll put some drops.
Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and, absolutely have your parents help with this. Even though little ones like to help, I'm just going to pour oil in here. Not any specific amount, just, that
Ooh,
looks
that's
pretty good.
fun. That already
Yeah,
looks
isn't that
fun.
pretty? It's already bubbling to the top. So the oil sits on top of the water because oil is thicker than water.
Right.
It's more dense. Carson and I had this conversation just recently about why do things float? Like he's in swim lessons, so why does a child's body float on the water? How are you able to do that? Well, because it's heavier than the water. It's more dense. And that's what happens with the oil. The oil is sitting on top here. So it's pretty cool. And that looks pretty cool too because the glue is it almost looks like glycerin.
Yes, it's settling.
Yeah, it is settling.
Well, who knows what glue is made of? I don't.
Well, it's just
well,
from horses,
I
right?
have heard that, actually.
I don't know if it's true or not. So, and then I guess we can go crazy with our glitter. Another thing that we don't have with this, but you could put little confetti in there. You can get confetti easily at the dollar store, probably Pop Shelf or Five Below or even Amazon if you wanted to. But that would be cool, like different shapes, like stars and moons. And, if a child has a favorite character, you might be able to find tiny confetti for that. So that would be really cool in here. And also like plastic letters or whatever the confetti's out of, that shiny, whatever that is. I'm drawing a blank on what it's made out of. Foil or
Yeah, I think foil.
yeah, but you could do letters too.
Yeah.
Letters and
Good,
numbers.
could be good road trip entertainment if you were like a screen-free family or trying to be screen-free.
Yeah, taking that break. Okay, guess what we're doing? But make it before you get in the car, though. don't do it while you're in the
Right.
car, right? Okay, so then I guess the trick is to now it'd be really great to have a funnel. If you don't have a funnel to put this in, you could take a paper towel and turn it into a
Yeah,
funnel
or a paper.
or a piece of
even.
paper. Yep. So
Kind of.
Natalie's going to use this piece of paper as a funnel. Did you? Oh yeah, and yours is wide open, so you were able
I just
to.
poured mine right in
It
there.
looks like Christmas.
It does a little bit.
Yeah.
Amanda.
Maybe I'm ready.
Beautiful.
I'm ready.
You're ready for Christmas or yeah, it's
Christmas
only
in
gonna
July.
Be, it's only going to be 91 degrees today, so
All right, well, we'll see. How
yeah,
this
let's see how
does.
this. We're experimenting, aren't we?
Some
Ooh, I like.
fuchsia.
Yeah, I like the pink in there with it. Ooh, pretty.
wow.
For all you girls that like glitter
Yes.
and sparkly
Doesn't.
things. Boys like sparkly things too, though.
I do.
Yeah,
I think everybody does kind of
I think everybody
catch
likes
your
sparkly
eye.
things. Yeah.
Right,
And
so-
I'm going to try this too because I've got a small lid like you do.
I'm just gonna like gently roll it around to see what we.
Mmm, nice.
So I think the glue does help it like settle slower.
Yes.
These colors together are
They're
kind of
very
canceling
pretty.
each other
Ooh,
out.
look at that. Okay.
It's swamp water.
Shrek, where's Shrek?
It is, yes. It's
Yeah.
kind of
Well,
what it looks like.
You know
this
what?
tip.
More
This
color
is gonna-
theory. You used red water and green glitter.
Mm-hmm.
Those are opposite colors, so they're canceling each other out. And I used a light green and a fuchsia, and they are doing the same thing.
This doesn't
So
want
it's
to come
getting
out.
kind of muddy.
There we go. So our art expert over here is going to help with color, understanding
Yes.
color. Oh, and I'm making a mess. Yay, I like to make a mess when it's all right.
So what would be some complementary colors that might not look so swampy?
Colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. So like yellow water and
All right,
orange
this
glitter.
may be,
or
this,
Okay.
this,
red
this
glitter.
gold just doesn't
Okay.
want to come out.
Do that,
and
friends at
it
home.
doesn't- the top doesn't want to
Try
come
to
out,
choose
probably on
complementary
purpose.
colors
Okay, so
if you don't want your water to look.
okay, so they
Swampy.
have the glue ones, and I did the oil, and so right now it's sitting on top. It's not
The glitter
mixing,
is-
so we're
yeah.
gonna mix it and see what happens.
Maybe I'll add some
then-
oil.
So that's kind of cool. It's but look at that.
So the glitter
yours,
wants to stay.
Okay, so this is kind of interesting. So yours has all gone to the bottom. The majority of it has, and the majority of this stays on top of the oil, and then yours is just kind of all over the place.
I
You have
dumped
a
a
lot of
whole
glue?
lot of glitter in mine.
Okay, so you dumped a whole
Probably
lot.
like 2 tablespoons
added-
at least.
Yeah, add some oil and see what happens. That's a bit of an explosion, isn't it? Ooh, look at all the bubbles. How fun is that?
Then what if I added a different color of glitter?
Yeah. I wonder if I should. All right, so you did it backwards. Well, not backwards. You did it that way. I'm going to try to add glue in and see what
Ooh,
happens.
The glue probably just.
Some left
Let's
in
see
there.
what happens with the glue. Is it doing anything? Looks like it's cutting through the it's cutting through the oil, but I don't know
oil?
that it's doing anything at all.
I think it's
So
going to
the
the bottom.
oil's more viscous than the glue.
Okay, I'm going to add some different color too. What color should I add to the gold and blue? Should I do pink or what?
Ooh, I think you should do pink.
Pink. Okay. I mean, you're the expert with the
I don't know.
with the colors.
Oh,
I just know it looks pretty.
This one we haven't added anything yet.
Oh yeah, this one pours out really great. All right, let's see
Oopsie.
what happens. Oh, love that. Isn't that beautiful?
It is. It would be pretty just with that and no glitter.
I know, absolutely. Okay, I'm gonna. So this is kind of cool. So you got layers: blue, gold, and the pink. Now the pink.
Oh.
Oh, it just sank to the bottom. I don't know if any. Yeah, I could see that. Sort of like a bomb. That's not a good word. Now, the lighter the color, the more you can see what's going on. We chose darker colors in here, and so I would say go with yellow definitely, because then look at the bubbles going. They're all rising up to the top. Isn't that cool? Huh, interesting.
Well, this is fun.
This is a lot of
Very
fun.
enjoyable.
Yeah, so it just goes up to the top, and then you keep it like this. Now, for you kids out there that like to bottle flip, make sure mamas and daddies and whoever, definitely tape this on there, the top. So, oh, look at that. It goes, if you go this way, it all flows back up to the top that way. Huh.
Well, this is a easy, safe experiment.
It's not too messy.
Do.
Yeah.
Not too messy. Except we're going to go home with glitter all over ourselves. That's okay. We'll have a sparkly day.
There's just
That's
water
pretty.
and oil.
Oh, yeah. Look at how pretty that is. Just water and oil.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really pretty.
Yeah, that actually makes me think of some of the sensory toys we have in our sensory room.
Yes.
We have little
So-
tubes that have glitter and oil. I think they look a little more successful than ours. But
I think they're all oil. So,
they're very cool nonetheless.
yeah, this is really cool. Okay, so you just need your water bottles or mason jars, because mason jars make much bigger ones, which is really awesome. And your vegetable oil and clear glue. And yeah, look, we blew through a lot of glue just on these small ones that we did. And I guess the best thing to do is to stick with the lighter color so you can see better. Yeah, because that you can see really well. You can see all the reactions that are happening in there, and that's a whole lot going on, isn't it?
Yeah, and then I think once it settles out, the oil is sort of mixed in there, but it'll eventually
Rise back
rise
up.
to the top again, and that
Right.
would look really neat.
Right, and then any kind of glitter you want, and
Yeah.
that's really pretty.
This glitter is a little bit finer, and so it kind of clumped together.
Oh, did it? Did you use one in
So,
here?
mhm.
Oh, you did. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Good to know.
So,
You
yeah.
should use kind of the thicker glitter,
bigger, yeah.
pieces of glitter.
Awesome. Okay, well, I guess that's it for today from Kidding Around with us, and hope you guys can try this at home. You know, they're able to go to the Facebook page, right, and post pictures, yeah, or video. If somebody makes
Sure.
if you guys make these, send pictures in. Let us see what you did, and if you have any other creations that we didn't think about here, we'd love to see it, right?
Yeah, or send in your ideas.
Yeah, send in your ideas, and next month will be a surprise because we haven't figured it out yet what we're doing, so right? So we're leaving it up to the imagination of what we're going to come up with for next
Yeah.
month. And so this is kind of fun, though, because this celebrates the 4th of July. You've got explosions going on, chemical reactions. It's very safe, though. Yes. So, until we see y'all next month, thanks for stopping
Thanks
by.
for joining us. Bye.